Everyone was probably like, what the beep? I wonder what would happen if I like just sprayed it all on top. Should I do that? Mm-hmm. Yeah, huh? Good. Like sprayed like a whole layer? Mm-hmm. Okay, wait. We're just having fun. Oh my god, that is strong.
Yeah.
Oh god.
There's a difference walking in and out from the room. You're gonna have to air it out.
You know what it smells like? It smells like perm. Wait. Purple one? Girl, I got you. Wait.
I feel like my eyeballs are coming out.
Your eyeballs? I have blue. Where did I put the blue at? Right there. No. That's turquoise.
Oh.
It's turquoise. Blue, purple, green. Green. Yellow. Oh yeah, I know. I sometimes don't. That's why I don't really care about eating it.
I'm still good though.
Look at guys. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. You're so pretty. Okay, wait. I have an idea. Wait, I said wait. I have an idea.
You have an idea?
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
I don't know. Where's that spray? There we go. Wait, let's see if it works. I might be just stupid. Yeah. A little bit, you know what?
Nice.
Okay, bye guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for coming. I'm gonna end the live now and just... the time you eat your beef jerky. I love how the colors are like kind of just everywhere. It's so pretty. But this is the end of the life, guys. I'm just letting you guys know. Thank you guys for coming in and being here with me and sending gifts, purchasing. It's my first purchase live and you guys help. Thank you for all my mods. Like, my mods. That includes you, baby.
I agree.
Because you're a mod. All my mods, all the silent watchers, the people who yelled at me, said the kids were crying. Because, I mean, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a headache right now. But thank you guys for everything. I appreciate it so much. So much.
Don't you wish that
I'm gonna just squeeze for a little tiny bit more. Come on, what is that? Everybody go click that link. Silent watchers, people who send a gifts, who love the live. Everybody. Even the crabby ones. You can always change your attitude, you know? I'm gonna do this thing where if we muted you or we blocked you, we're gonna unblock you every 12 years. So you have time to change your attitude. Just letting you know. Oh, true. But I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys for coming in. Thank you.